Here's a 2007 Chrysler 300. It's exceptional in every way, from its aggressive exterior to its soft, luxurious interior. This 300 sets the standard for stunning. It comes with great features you love: Boston acoustic sound system, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, power windows, dual-zone climate control, ME engine, self-sealing touring front and rear tires, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Road & Track explains it's a chassis without any discernible faults. The suspension is simply tuned more toward everyday driving than the sport end of the spectrum. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.